At ARDAC, the Army's Armament Research, Development, and Engineering Center at Picatinny Arsenal, New Jersey, researchers and engineers are working in state-of-the-art facilities to develop nanomaterials using FAST, or Field-Assisted Sintering technology. FAST is a breakthrough technology for producing high-quality sintered objects from powdered nanomaterials. It features lower temperatures and drastically shorter sintering times than traditional processes. These nano-engineered materials can provide new capabilities for the warfighter in force protection, lethality, and sustainability. Capabilities previously unavailable to Army designers and engineers. FAST utilizes graphite dies and punches to encapsulate a powder compact in a highly electrically conductive arrangement. A combination of pulsed DC current and high pressure is applied to the powder, simultaneously resulting in rapid volumetric heating. This allows for sintering highly dense metals and ceramics at lower temperatures, with shorter heating and cooling ramp times. Sintering takes place in minutes, in contrast to traditional methods requiring several hours or longer. ARDAC's FAST sintering facility at Building 1090 uses the HPD-125 sintering machine manufactured by FCT Systems. The HPD-125 integrates a pulsed power supply with DC current up to 30,000 amps into a 125-ton press with a maximum temperature of 2400 degrees centigrade. It can produce a sintered disc up to 150 millimeters in diameter. Now take a look inside the FAST process. Compacted nanopowder is placed in the dies between the upper and lower punches of the sintering equipment. The punches maintain consistent pressure to the compact while pulsed DC current is applied to the dies and the nanopowder. The high current generates joule heating at the particle-to-particle contacts, providing true volumetric heating. This is in contrast to conventional sintering, which heats materials from the outside inward. The combination of rapid heating and high pressure results in densification of the nanopowder by reducing the pore volume essentially to zero. The highly localized joule heating which occurs at the particle-to-particle contacts allows for elevated surface diffusion and a subsequent continuous closing of pores in between the individual nanoparticles. The result is a bulk material that maintains its original nanostructure and therefore its nanomaterial properties. The sintered disc is formed in just minutes. The short times required to heat up, sinter, and cool down the powder produces a non-porous, fully dense disc with intact nanostructures and limited grain growth. Fast processing can sinter nanopowders to 100% density at temperatures as much as 200 degrees centigrade lower than traditional methods. Controlled heating and cooling ramp changes, up to 2400 degrees centigrade, can be achieved in minutes. These efficiencies make FAST an affordable process that preserves the unique material characteristics associated with nanopowders. Characteristics of special interest for warfighter applications include lightweight, high hardness, and increased wear resistance. Initial warfighter applications for materials sintered using the FAST process include infrared domes for missile guidance systems, armor tiles and lightweight transparent armor, and small caliber penetrators. ARDAC is continuing research into the exact mechanisms operating during the FAST process in order to better understand its potential for nanomaterial applications. It is also investigating the feasibility of creating near-net shapes and more complex object geometries with this sintering technology. Nanotechnologies can provide leap-ahead advances in both military and commercial product development that give the U.S. warfighter a decisive edge in contemporary and future conflicts. For more information about field-assisted sintering technology and other nanomaterial research and development at ARDAC, contact these individuals.